Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: a valid Microsoft account and grounded installed on the device you plan to link. Once done, make sure you are signed into the platform's account layer, Xbox app on PC, or console profile on Xbox. Now open Grounded and go straight to the main menu or settings. Don't wander in-game. You're preparing the environment so the game can discover your Microsoft identity when you begin the linking flow. You'll choose Accounts or Profile in Settings and select Link Microsoft Account. Once selected, the game presents either an embedded login or a device code and URL. If using device code, open a browser on PC or phone, go to the shown URL, and type the code exactly. Enter your Microsoft credentials or approve the sign-in prompt. This step confirms identity. Make sure to accept permissions the game requests. Otherwise, sync and cloud save features won't work correctly. After granting permissions, the game completes the handshake and displays a confirmation or your gamer tag. You should verify by checking cloud save status or inviting a friend. These actions prove the link is active. If the game still shows unlinked, sign out from the platform layer and grounded, clear cached credentials, then repeat the device code flow. If issues persist, restart the console or PC and try again. This resets auth token.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.